everyone, this is Imran Pardesi sir and today I will be continuing standard 8th maths chapter number 14 compound interest. In compound interest today we will see the rest of the questions of practice set 14.2 and the question number 4 and 5. Please pay attention. Yesterday I have given you question number 6 as a homework because it is very much easy. So now we will see question number 4 and question number 5. These two questions are different as compared to other questions, so please pay attention. See question number 4. The cost price of a machine is 2,50,000. If the rate of depreciation, please pay attention here, I have underlined depreciation means cost price घट गई, घट जाना, कम हो जाना. Okay, the value, the market price of the machine is depreciation. It means घट गई, कम हो गई. Is 10% per year. Find the price of the machine after 2 years. It means what? Machine की cost price थी पहले initially 2,50,000. Okay, machine price was 2,50,000 पहले, सबसे पहले initially. Then after every year, हर साल मशीन की प्राइस में, कॉस्ट प्राइस में 10% का घटाव हुआ. इट मींस 10% डिप्रिसिएशन हुआ, यानी 10% की 10% फीस कम होती गई हर साल. सो व्हाट विल बी द मशीन कॉस्ट आफ्टर 2 इयर्स. तो 2 साल के बाद मशीन की प्राइस कितनी होगी? हर साल 10% कम होगा. सो 2 साल बाद कितनी होगी? ओके, सो प्लीज पे अटेंशन ओवर हियर P, that is the initial amount or initial cost of a machine. पहली cost of machine 2,50,000. So principal cost price of machine initially is equals to rupees 2,50,000. This is principal. Okay, percent में जो होता है that is your rate R. C, R rate of depreciation. Depreciation means what? घटाव होना, कम होना, हर साल 10% फीस कम होते गई. So rate of depreciation is equals to 10% per year. And number of year we have to find the price of a machine after 2 years. So number of years or duration is equals to 2 years. Now what we have to find? We have to find the cost price of the machine after 2 years. Okay, so that is A. So A is a compound interest. Amount by compound interest is equals to principal multiplied by 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to n. Okay, this is the formula we will utilize, right? Amount by compound interest is equals to principal multiplied by 1 plus R upon, that is rate upon 100 bracket raised to n. Now my dear students, we will put the values over here. See, the principal is 2,50,000, 1 as it is, R plus as it is, R here I have written minus 10. Why I have written here minus 10? Because depreciation, यानी हर साल मशीन की कीमत 10% कम होती रही. Is it clear? It means घटाव, कम होती रही, minimize. So it is minus will come here. Pay attention. This 10 will come in minus whenever you will see the word depreciation. Is it clear? Depreciation आया, इसलिए यहाँ पर minus 10 आया. Is it clear? Now upon 100 bracket raised to square. N value, number of year 2 years. Okay. Now what we will do? Always we remember, first we will solve the bracket. 100 ones are 100 plus, here it is minus 10. See, this plus and this minus will multiply each other, so answer will come minus. See, 2,50,000 as it is, 1 as it is. See, 1 as it is. Now plus multiply by minus, it will be minus. Is it clear? 1 plus multiply by minus, answer will come minus. So it is minus 10 upon 100 bracket square. तो यहाँ पे अभी 100 ones are 100, उसमें से 10 minus होगा. See, 100 ones are 100 minus 10. 100 में से 10 minus होगा, 90 upon 100. Is it clear? See, 100 ones are 100 minus 10, that is 90 upon 100 bracket square. It means 90 upon 100, you will write how many times? 2 times. We will write 90 upon 100 multiplied by 90 upon 100. 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. What will remain? 25 multiplied by 90 multiplied by 90. See, 25 multiplied by 90 multiplied by 90. So 25 will as it is. This is very much easy to solve. 9 nines are 81 and 2 zeros. Okay, 9 nines are 81 and 2 zeros. Now we will multiply here. 25 zeros are 0, 25 zeros are 0, 25 ones are 25, 5 carry 2. 25 eights are how much? 200, so, and 2, 202. So this is the answer. Amount by compound interest is rupees 2,02,500. Okay, So after 2 years मशीन की प्राइस इतनी कम होगी, 2,02,500 रुपए कम हो जाएगी. इज इट क्लियर? सो डिप्रिसिएशन इन द प्राइस ऑफ मशीन आफ्टर 2 years, 2 साल बाद द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ मशीन will decrease, will depreciation, that is principal minus A, that is 2,50,000 minus 2,0500. Okay, so that answer will be 47,500. I hope you understood how to solve this. This is very much easy. Then we have to solve, see, 2,50,000 में से 2,02,500, it means 2,500 रुपए कम हो गए, so it is 47,000 only. So we know how to solve this question number 4. It is very much easy. Only remember depreciation words came over here, so it is minus 10. Depreciation in हर साल 10% कम हो रहा है, that's why we have utilized here minus 10. And here the initial cost price of machine was 2,50,000. 2,50,000 में से minus 2,02,500. So answer will be 40,500. Cost price will reduce, यानी 2,50,000 में से 47,500 rupees कम हो जाएंगे, reduce हो जाएंगे after 2 years of the cost price of this machine will reduce 47,500. So I hope you understood how to solve this. This is very much easy. So dear students, after question number 4 we will see the question number 5. It is also very much easy, but this question is different as compared to other. See, find the compound interest. It means we have to find the compound interest. Compound interest is equals to here amount minus principal. Okay, now see here what we will do. Find the compound interest if the amount of a certain principal is not given. If the amount is given of a certain principal, means principal is not given, we have to find the principal and then we have to find the compound interest. If the amount of a certain principal after 2 years, duration is given after 2 years, is rupees 4,036.80. So this is amount. See, if the amount of certain principal is not given at the rate of 16% per annum, it means this is rate. So here in this question amount is given, that is rupees 4,036.80. Rate is given, that is 16% per annum. Duration is given, that is 2 years. We have to find the principal. Certain principal means principal is not given, we have to find the principal and compound interest at the last. Okay, so we know the formula. Amount by compound interest is equals to principal multiplied by 1 plus rate upon 100 bracket raised to n. Now we will put the value. Amount is given, so we will write below amount. Principal is not given, we will write principal as it is, 1 as it is, plus as it is, rate, that is 16% per annum, 16 upon 100 bracket raised to square, n value number of years square. Now first we will solve first bracket. 100 ones are 100 plus 16, that is उसमें 16 add करना है. 100 ones are 100 plus 16, 116 upon 100 bracket square. Now this 116 upon 100 bracket square means we have to write it twice. हम इसको 2 बार लिखेंगे. See, amount के नीचे amount, principal के नीचे principal, bracket के नीचे bracket. Now we have to find the principal, so these two ratios will go here to the left hand side. Okay, these two ratios fractions will come here to the left hand side and they will reciprocal. 100 ऊपर जाएगा, 116 नीचे आएगा. Is it clear? They both will come to the left hand side and they will reciprocal. See here, 4,036.80 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 100 upon 116 multiplied by 116 is equals to P. इसको सीधा लिख दो, that is P is equals to, ये सब सीधा लिख देंगे. ओके, यहाँ पे 100 ऊपर गए, 116 नीचे आए. Why? Because these two fractions goes to the left hand side, they will reciprocal. Okay, उल्टा हो जाएंगे. Now it is easy. First we will multiply these two numbers. 0.80. इसके आगे 2 0 बढ़ेंगे, right? 2 0 will increase because they are multiplying by 100. So 2 digit after decimal point, so 2 digit after decimal point, यानी decimal point after 0 0 यानी nothing. Decimal point after, if there is a 0, it means we will not write that 0. So we will write this much portion only, 403,680 here. Multiply by this 100 and upon 116. My dear students, I have simplified this number from first 4. पहले हमने 4 से divide किया है. 4 We had used here 4 times table. 4 2s are 8, 3 remain, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40, 4 zeros are 0, 4 9s are 36, 4 2s are 8, 4 zeros are 0. Okay, then 29 is a prime number, so we will directly use 29 ones are 29, 29 threes are 87. Okay, the remaining, the number you will do minus alongside, and then you will solve 29 times the table we have used over here. So you will also multiply, divided by 29 table. So answer will come 3480 multiplied by 100 upon 116. Now again, see here I have written 116 threes are 348. So 116 ones are 161, 116 threes are 348. So these zeros are 0. So answer will be 30 multiplied by 100. Answer will come 3000 rupees. So principal will be 3000 rupees. Now we have to find the compound interest, that is amount minus principal. Amount is 4036.80 and principal is 3000. So this is unit 10 100,000. तो उसके नीचे ही unit 10 100,000 0.00 नहीं थे तो हमने बढ़ा दिए. Okay, now we will subtract over here. The answer will come 1036.80. The required compound interest is rupees 1036.80. I hope you understood. Here I had used 4 times table to divide, and later on I had used 29 times the table, 29 ka table to divide. Then here 116 table, ones are 116, threes are 348. So this is how we have to solve. We have to find the principal first, and then we have to find the compound interest. I hope you understood. We have solved question number 6 yesterday. I have given you homework for question number 6. You have solved. So rest of the questions are reduced from the syllabus for this year. But still one question I will give the homework from that. It is very much easy. I hope you understood the concept. Best of luck. Thank you so much.